everyone, I'm Trish, and for my assignment, I was given Chapter 9, which is titled The Spread. So we're going to see how the median worker is doing. But first, we're going to see the effects of bounty versus spread. Bounty versus spread. Bounty is a catch-all term for productivity and positive gains created by new technology, and spread is the inequality that results from the bounty. The combination of bounty and spread presents many challenges. An example of bounty and spread is the world of photography. As the book cites, progress in the field of photography is an example of the bounty in the second machine age. Photography is not the only example of the gains created by the second machine age. In this slide, we examine how bounty versus spread affect the median worker. Median income is the income at the 50th percentile of the total distribution. It has fallen. In 1999, it was $54,932. In 2011, it's only $50,054. Technology is changing economics, and most American workers are getting a smaller piece of the pie. Brynjolfsson and McAfee tell us that the bounty of technology is growing. And with that being said, they further state that the only thing that limits the real progress we are making with new technology is the economic measures that limit everything. Companies like Facebook and Instagram hire only a fraction of employees that were once worked for Kodak. Facebook has a market value several times greater than Kodak ever did and has created at least 7 billionaires, according to Brynjolfsson and McAfee. The change from analog to digital has delivered tremendous amount of digital photos and other goods. So who's reaping the benefits of bounty? Almost every industry has reaped the benefits of bounty, such as music, finance, and publishing. Bounty is rich in retailing, distribution, and the service industry has also reaped the benefits. The more wealth is created with less work. If we use the Kodak example again, you can see that the spread effect that results when technology changes an industry. Digitalization revolutionized the photography industry, but it profoundly changed the economics of photography production and distribution. The authors state that a team of 15 people created a simple app that over 130 million customers use to share over 16 billion photos. Kodak provided jobs for many middle-class people for generations, but shortly before Instagram was sold to Facebook, Kodak had to file for bankruptcy. Digitized photography has replaced the need for thousands of employees who prepared chemicals and paper, for example. These people needed to find other ways to support themselves. Bounty versus spread theory creates challenges because both ideas seem to have become realities. Most have a contradictory views of bounty versus spread. As our text states, the combination of bounty and spread challenges two common, though contradictory worldviews. One common view is that advances in technology always boost incomes. The other is that automation hurts workers' wages as people are replaced by machines. Both of these have a kernel of truth, but the reality is more subtle. Rapid advances in our digital tools are creating unprecedented wealth. But there is no economic law that says all workers, or even a majority of workers, will benefit from these advances. In summary, the second machine age of technology is really driving the economy, and we'll use TurboTax as an example. For many people, it's cheaper, quicker, and more accurate, but the downside is that tens of thousands of tax preparers now find their jobs and incomes threatened. The crucial reality from the standpoint of economics is that it only takes a relatively small number of designers and engineers that can update a program like TurboTax. So, again, how is the median worker doing? As you can see by the graph that I attached from page 133 out of the book, median income per capita has declined. It's been declining since 1979. And many people want to know how this is possible. The example I really like is the one that the book gives on page 132. It says 10 bank tellers are drinking beers at a bar. Each of them makes $30,000 a year. So both the mean and median income of this group is $30,000. In walks the CEO and orders a beer. Now the average income of the group has skyrocketed, but the median hasn't changed at all. In general, the more skewed the income, the more the means tend to diverge from the median. And this is what happened not only in our hypothetical, bar, but also in America as a whole. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you all enjoyed it.